Ben Franklin's Key, where, oh, where can it be? This breakout is based on Secrets of the Seven, the Eureka Key by Sarah L. Thompson. This is a breakout in the second in a series of breakouts using the 2018-2019 SSYRA Sunshine State Young Readers Awards books, but can be used by anyone who values a peer-rated excellent book for grades 6 through 8. If you have any questions, please contact the author of this breakout. Items are available to you in the materials section for this breakout. Place in the breakout EDU box with incentives. Congratulations, you made it out of the cave. Unlock the clues and are able to go home to your family. Benjamin Franklin would be proud. These are all the materials that you'll need for this breakout. This is your lock box. You should have the hasp, a 4-digit lock, 3-digit lock, a word lock, and a directional lock attached with all of your wonderful incentives inside of the box. You'll notice that there is a regular lock on the large breakout EDU box. This regular lock will be used with a small breakout EDU box. The locks, there are a variety of locks that can be used with breakout EDU. It is a matter of choice to determine which ones work best for you and your classroom. The breakout EDU locks are sturdy and will last a long time for any of the breakouts you may want to try. The group response sheet is a tool which enables groups to stay focused and keep moving forward in the breakout. It's a simple organizational tool. A copy of what I used in your materials section. You can choose to use it or edit it. And then I use a Flipgrid after a breakout, and that works out as a digital tool as well. Locks and materials. The 3-digit lock. Let's start with the 3-digit lock. The lock code is 264. Ben Franklin was famous for his puzzles. The magic square is one of his famous inventions. All directions will add up to the same sum, 2, 6, and 4. The 4-digit lock, 2689. You can use a variety of 4-digit locks. The breakout EDU 4-digit lock is very sturdy and will last you a long time. The 4-digit lock involves 7 keys. They can be antique keys or paper keys. The keys must be placed labeled with the 4-digit numbers 2, 6, 8, 9. The object is to match the ends of the keys to the correct key. The ends of the keys must be matched to the correct keys, and then on the group response sheet, a hint is provided indicating the chronological order is important for the 4-digit code. Label all of your keys with a number, but make sure you have 2, 6, 8, 9. All keys are provided here, as well as the material section of your breakout. 7 keys and 4 ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then the key ends to match for the 4-digit lock are the first one, second, third, fourth, hence the 4-digit lock. Antique keys can also be used and you can purchase these for a nominal price at Amazon.com. You can label the keys by inscribing a number or using a permanent marker. There are also templates provided for cardstock keys. You can label the keys with a number, but make sure you have the numbers 2, 6, 8, 9. Match your ends to the appropriate keys. The UV light and UV pen is used to highlight the word first on the backwards paragraph provided for the word lock discovery. The backwards paragraph for your BC word lock, the word first, again, should be highlighted in the backwards paragraph. The teacher must highlight this with the UV pen, and the students use the flashlight to discover the word. They can decipher the paragraph first. This is used for the word lock. The page can be divided into 3 sections for 3 or more groups. Again, I usually have 6 groups that are participating, and they are groups of 4. ABC lock clue, again, is first. This is the backwards paragraph that I use. It's information about Ben Franklin. This is the ABC word lock, directional locks, and this is how we use the directional locks. There's a map provided for the directional lock with information or items from Ben Franklin. The directional lock is south, east, south, east, north, south, east, south. Again, south, east, north, east, south. Imagine being lost in a labyrinth of caves with clues and locks the entire journey. What an adventure! Benjamin Franklin kept you thinking, is there really a secret weapon? The regular breakout ED lock is also concluded. How are we going to use the regular breakout EDU lock? The regular lock should be placed with each of the chains that you made or will make out of the 13 virtues that Ben Franklin lived by. Dependent upon how many small breakout EDU lock boxes you use, sets of these virtues should be placed around the room. When students find these boxes, then the magic square is held within to be solved for the 3-digit code. Again, your key is placed close to these sets of 13 virtues around the room. Then students find the small breakout EDU box and the magic squares inside that box. Here's some Ben Franklin information for you today. I hope you enjoy this breakout, which is based on Secrets of the Seven, the Eureka Key. You can refer to page 174 and 176 in the novel.